Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create account in Signal app. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. In order to create an account on the Signals app, first thing you need to do is go on the App Store or Play Store, and at the bottom right search for Signal app like this. From here, this is the Signal private messenger. Tap it and install this app. It is 35 MBs, so just wait so that it should be installed. Now what you need to do is tap on open and it's gonna appear like this. Take privacy with you, be yourself, and tap on continue. From here you need to allow the permissions. I'm gonna go for not now. Enter up your phone number, tap on continue, tap on OK, tap on I am human. Please check each image containing an animal sitting or laying down. If there are none, click skip. Tap on verify. It's gonna send a specific code. Enter up the code. And now what you need to do is enter up your name. Tap on next. Pin, suggest a pin. As you can see, it is now creating the pin, and now your account has been created on Signals app. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.